So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here. I'm back with another tutorial of Python series. So in this tutorial we will learn about some basic things, important things. This is so small but we need this. This is so efficient to use in our script. It will make our script improve our script better. So I will be talking about comments and backslash character in this video. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's create a new Python file. I will name it comment. You can name it anything. So what is comment? So comment means saying about think what it is. It's like a comment. So it is good, it is bad, what it is. So this is comment. So what is comment in script or in our code? Suppose we have hundreds of thousands of lines of code, and for some time later, if we come back to see our code, we will most probably will don't know what I have written in my code, because it's been so long and I don't know what this line do, what this function do, what this do. So what we can do, we can comment this. We can comment something about that function, that this function is for this reason I wrote this function. We can comment this. So let's see some example. If you write here, suppose a print, I'm giving example of this, and another print, giving my number or something. So this is my phone number. So suppose we have thousands of line here, and this is a function. So what is this function about? What is this function about? uh, we can write it here. So suppose how we can write it here. We can write a hash, then we can say this was my number. So this was my number. So this is a comment. So if we put a hash symbol before any line, we can make it as a comment. So, and comment doesn't appear in the console, it's only appear in the code. So if we run this, let's go to run this, run comment. See, we have I am Nafiz, the number, but we don't see this one because this is a comment, and compiler don't print or don't execute the comment. It's a built-in thing. It's a built-in thing. It will be in our code. So, say suppose we want to write about some long lines of comments, like uh, this is this is this is Python tutorial, and another line I say I am making this now. Another line I can say I am coding. So this is the multi-line. This is a multi-line here. So what we can do, we cannot use hash here. If we use hash, it's for only one line. We can make this for 2 to 3 lines. If you want to do this, we want to check hash every line, but we will not do this. What happened here? Okay, so we will not do this. There is another system for doing this, that is called multi-line comment. We can do this by typing three quotation marks like this, 1 and 2. So here we have 3 quotation here, 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 quotation here, and this is a starting quotation and this is the ending quotation. And if we put our text inside of this, so this is a comment, this is a multi-line comment. We can write anything here, anything like multi-line comment or anything within these three quotation mark, it will be comment. Okay, we can see this after print. look, we are seeing only these two lines, not seeing this or not seeing this. So these are the comments. Oh, we also can comment our functions inside. We can simply do a hash before it, and when we want to uncomment it, we can remove it. So this is a simple thing to do, and this is the most important thing. You will sometime need to say something about your code inside of your code, what this code about. So comment is a very important thing for everyone, I think. So another thing is like I like print, print here, print I am Nafiz, and let's say I write my phone number in one line. Then what can I, if we print this, okay, let's see, if we print this, we see this in one line, and we can make this in different line within one print statement by using a backslash character, which is backslash. Then we can say n. So what this will do, let's see. Look, I am Nafiz and the number is in the second line, so it's making a new line here. It's making a new line inside of our print statement. So if we read some lines of code here and we need to make it specifically formatted, so this is used for format. We also, this also had another name, which is I can't remember right now. Oh, this called escape sequence. We also have another thing which is called T. It will, okay, remove this and this, these two spaces. So if we print this, look, we have some space here. There is 4 space here because T is making us a tab means 4 spaces, so it's printing 4 spaces, and the n is printing a new line. So these are the basics to format a print statement. There is also other escape sequence. You can look up them in the internet if you want, but these are the most common one. Another one is, suppose I want to highlight this like two quotation my name, but if we say two quotation here, this will give us an error because we are using two quotation to print this. So what we can do, we can make it a backslash character. So what this will do, this will print one double quotation, this will print another 12 quotation in our code. If we run this, we will see Nafiz here with a quotation right here. If you want a single quotation, we can use single quotation here. If you want, we can use single quotation here. If we print this, we will see single quotation in our code. So this was all about for today's video, comments and single quotation. Hope you like this video. So keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.